Hi friends, in this video we are going to discuss about passing a pointer to a function and about functions returning pointers. So first of all, let's discuss about passing pointer to a function. So like passing a variable to a function, we can also pass the address of a variable to a function, or we can say we can pass a pointer to a function. So the function declaration for getting an integer variable address is return type followed by function name followed by int star within parentheses. Here star indicates that function is getting an address of a variable and not the value of variable. Now if we need to pass address of two integer variables, then the function declaration can be like this. So to understand this better, let's consider this simple C program. We have the main function and a user-defined function set to 0. So as we know, execution begins from the main function and we are declaring an integer variable a and initializing it to 10. Now we have a printf statement printing before calling the function a equal to and printing the value of a, which will print 10. And then we are calling the function by passing the address of a. So control goes to function definition, and as the parameter we have a pointer which will store the address of a, which is 1024. Next we have star a equal to 0. That is value at a equal to 0. So at address 1024, value is set to 0. Now control returns to main function, and again we have a print statement which prints after calling the function a equal to and prints the value of a, which is 0. So if we pass the address of a variable to a function, any changes on that variable will reflect in actual value of variable. In our case, the actual value of a is changed to 0 after the execution of set to 0 function. Now let us discuss about functions returning pointers. So the syntax is return type star function name followed by parameters within parenthesis and a semicolon. So here the star indicates that the function is returning the address of a variable. For example, suppose the function returns the address of an integer variable, then we have int star function name parameters. And if the function returns the address of a character variable, then we have char star function name and parameters. Now let us see a very simple program to understand this. So we have the main function and a user-defined function get. So execution begins from the main function and we have int star ptr equal to get. That is, we are calling function get and whatever the function returns will be stored in ptr. So control goes to function get and we can see the return type is int star. That is, it returns an integer pointer or the address of an integer variable. And here we are declaring an integer variable I. Suppose it is created at 5024 and initializing to 100. Next we have return ampersand I. That is, address of I, which is 5024, will be returned to main function and will be stored in ptr. And the program returns 0 and it is completed successfully. So that's all, and thank you for watching this video.